Hi, welcome to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's check the cards for relationships and career for Leo for June 2025. And let's check in the past, present, and future. So, first, let's check for relationships. You've got the Nine of Wands. You've got the Lovers. Oh my God. So, despite there being a certain kind of hesitancy, certain kind of taking a few steps back and one step forward, there is a deep emotional connection to somebody. So that's showing in the past. And King of Wands is person is probably a very creative minded person, a very emotional person. So things look like there was something brewing in the past. Let's see for the present. You got the Ten of Swords. So a stressful time in the present. Maybe something is coming to an end, or maybe there's a communication gap. Maybe you all are not communicating enough. It could be anything that Ten of Swords indicates. Ten of Swords is a card of stillness, a card of ending. Two of Cups, so a real soul connection, a real commitment to this person, a real admiration for this person. Emperor, a strong personality, probably this person who you're involved with is. Two of Pentacles in the future, a little bit of lull, restriction, some kind of restriction, restricting yourself, hesitating. Something like that is happening with you, Leo, in June 2025. Let's see, King of Swords. So, a card of practicality, deep practicality. Let's check. And Five of Pentacles in the future. A card of loss. Maybe there's a loss of words. Maybe you're not communicating enough. Maybe there's a gap between y'all. Maybe y'all have taken a break. It's possible. Let's check the outcome card. You've got the Ten of Wands, a card of hitting up against a wall. Let's justify the Ten of Wands. You've got the Wheel of Fortune. So looking forward, a period of luck and good fortune, a card of exploration, Three of Wands, and a card of wisdom. So let's check. High Priestess you got there. So let's check. You've got the Ten of Wands, and that is kind of being looked at by, so you're exploring into yourself. Maybe you've got into a spiritual kind of frame of mind where you've hit up against a wall as far as practical things are concerned. So kind of get out of that zone and things will look up for you, but there might be some kind of ending, as Ten of Swords shows, Leo. So try to get the communication rolling. If the communication is not happening, just take a step back and look inward. So yeah, that's my reading for relationship for Leo for June 2025. Let's check for career. Career for Leo for June 2025. You've got Chariot, so moving forward, taking bold strides forward. Five of Cups, so a kind of disappointment in career, a lull in finances, a need to get out there and ride the waves of fortune and life, as the Two of Pentacles shows. There's a need to ride the waves of fortune, get out of that lull and get yourself moving in some direction. And you have the Queen of Wands in the present. You've got the Hierophant in the present, and you've got the Queen of Pentacles in the present. So a time of fertility, a time of looking up, respecting authority figures, a time of prosperity in the present. So despite the lull in finances, things are going well in the present. And let's check the cards for the future. You've got the King of Swords, you've got the Two of Cups, and you've got the Ten of Wands. So let's analyze this. Yeah, there's a need to be practical, there's a need to be more committed, or probably you are feeling committed, but you feel like you're hitting up against a wall. So let's see the outcome card that may explain these cards. Let's check the outcome card, Leo, for June 2025. Eight of Pentacles, a time to work hard, a time of industriousness. And in the shadow, we have Lovers, so a deep commitment to work. So things are looking good for you, Leo. Despite a few breaks, a few lulls, a few stillnesses, it's important to, as the Eight of Pentacles shows, work hard and work hard at it and really live it up and be industrious. So yeah, that's my reading for Leo for June 2025. If you want a personalized reading, you can read the description, the details in the description box. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. It's been a pleasure reading for you, Leo, for June 2025. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.